I'm Erica Gray, your Parks and Recreation Supervisor with the City of Miami Garden. Today our cooking demo will be easy purple cabbage. Let's have some fun. What you will need is a purple cabbage, mushrooms, garlic, salt, black pepper, olive oil, a pan, a spoon, a skillet, and an oven. So first thing we're gonna do is wash your hand with soaping water for about 20 seconds. If you don't have soaping water available, you can use hand sanitizer. Okay. So of course, with the cabbage, you will cut it up and you will keep the core. Mine was pre-cut, so all I have to do is just lay it. Okay, so next, we'll take the salt, a pinch. Black pepper, a pinch. Okay. You all with me? Olive oil. We're gonna drizzle the olive oil on the cabbage. Okay. I'm gonna go put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, so now that we have the cabbage in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and saute the mushrooms. So you will need to use the olive oil again. You're gonna drizzle in the pan. Okay. You're gonna take some garlic, put in the pan. And you're gonna take some mushroom, about 4, okay? So what we're gonna do now is saute this for 5 to 8 minutes. This is on a medium heat. Okay. I'm gonna sit that down and just let it do it. Okay, so now that the cabbage is ready, we're gonna go ahead and place it on the plate. Look at that. Okay. Then we're gonna take the mushroom. And the garlic. And just place. So, we have purple garlic cabbage sauteed with mushroom and garlic.